Welcome back to Freelance with Jay. I'm Jay, where freelancers learn how to grow smarter, earn better, and build sustainable careers. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments, because this is a community where we all grow together. Today's topic: how to build a winning freelancer portfolio, one that doesn't just show your work, but convinces clients to say yes. Think of your portfolio as your passport. Anyone can claim to be a freelancer, but proof? That's what clients pay for. A great portfolio is like a storybook of your skills. If you're a web developer, it's not enough to say, "I build websites." Show me the websites you've built. That's what convinces me. Here's the truth: clients don't gamble with money. A weak or messy portfolio will push them to the next freelancer. But a strong one? That's instant trust. And with trust comes better clients, higher rates, and steady work. Think about it. Would you pay a stranger top dollar without proof? Neither would your clients. Attention spans are short. Don't bury your best work at the bottom. If you're a web developer, that could be a sleek e-commerce store you built or a responsive company website. Put that right at the top. Lead strong, and clients will immediately see what you're capable of. Variety is good, it shows flexibility. But too much variety? It makes you look scattered. If you're a developer, don't mix websites with logo designs and random photography. Instead, show different types of web projects. Maybe a portfolio site, a blog, and a booking platform. It's all still web development, but it proves you can adapt within your niche. Don't just post screenshots. Tell the story. What problem did the client face? How did you solve it? What results came from it? For example, the client's old website was slow and losing customers. I rebuilt it using modern frameworks, and their bounce rate dropped by 40%. Numbers and stories stick in a client's mind far more than pictures alone. Your portfolio should feel like walking into a clean, well-organized office, not a messy garage. Use clear sections, simple layouts, and easy navigation. Don't overwhelm the client with 10 pop-ups and 20 colors. In design and in business, clarity wins. Here's the magic touch: testimonials. A screenshot of a client saying, "You saved my business," is more powerful than any self-promotion. Even if you're new, you can get testimonials from small projects, internships, or even volunteer work. A few kind words from real clients add human proof to your skills. Imagine a client loves your work but can't find a way to reach you. That's money lost. Make your contact details clear: an email, a form, or your LinkedIn link. Don't make them dig. When interest strikes, you want clients to reach you instantly. So here's the big picture: your portfolio isn't just decoration. It's your digital salesman, your silent pitch. It turns curiosity into trust, and trust into paying clients. Remember this: your pitch opens the door, but your portfolio closes the deal. If this helped, like, comment, subscribe, and share to support the channel. In our next video we will be looking at where to find freelance clients, free and paid methods. I'll show you the exact places and outreach tactics that work today. See you there. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a fellow freelancer who needs this today.